Good evening, students. I am Sadiq Ali Khan. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Clam Maths with Sadiq sir. In this video, we will read about decimal. In this video, we will read about decimal, and we have to cover and convert into fraction, convert into fraction. How to decimal convert into fraction, and next is how to convert into fraction into how to convert fraction into decimal and decimal into fraction. And in this video we have to read about how to write in words and figures, how to write decimal number in figures and words, and how to arrange in descending order and ascending order. Okay, first we read about how to convert decimal, how to convert decimal into fractions, how to convert decimal into fractions. Otherwise, fraction can be converted. You can say that fraction can be converted into decimals. Fraction, suppose that fraction is 5 upon 10. Question is, suppose that question is convert fraction, convert fraction into decimal. Question is how to convert. So that question is convert fraction into decimal. Convert fraction into decimal. So that question is, there is given 5 upon 10, and second is 17 upon 100, and next is 3 upon 1000. Okay, so first thing is there is a given a fraction, so 5 is a numerator and 10 is a denominator. So 5 upon 10 is equal to, if you convert into decimal, so first thing is write their numerator as it is. Okay, numerator write there as it is. Okay, now there is downside. Look at the downside. There is denominator. Look at the denominator. If denominator is 10, so one digit after point. If denominator is 100, after then two digit point. If denominator is 3000, so after then three digit point on right side. Count from right side. Count from right side. One digit after point. Suppose that 5 upon 100. Question is 5 upon 100. So write the numerator as it is, and now look at the denominator. If denominator there is given 100, so how many digit after point? Two digit after point. Look at the first thing is write the numerator as it is. Now count digit from right side. One digit, how many digit required? One digit required, so write there 10. Now write the decimal, write the point. Okay, now next is 17 upon 100. 17 upon 100. So first things write the numerator as it is. Now look at the denominator. If denominator is 10, one digit after point count from right side. If denominator is 100, count from right side, two digit after point. One digit, two digits. Count from right side, one digit, two digits. So write the point. Now there is 0. Okay. Next, 3 upon 100. 3 upon 100. So first things write the numerator as it is. Okay. Now how many digit required? How many digit after point? This denominator is 100. Denominator 10 means one digit after point. Denominator 100 means two digit after point. Denominator 1000 means three digit after point. So only there is one digit. How many digit required? Three digits. So write there 20 on left side on digits. So one digit, two digits, three digit. Now three digit. How many digits required? Three digits. So three digit completed. Now write the point on left side. Okay. Now 0.003. So first question completed. Convert fraction into decimal. Now suppose that now question is changed. Now we read about convert decimal. The second topic is now convert decimal into fractions. Decimal into fractions. how to convert decimal into fractions. So first thing, suppose that question is 0.003 and next is 0.17 and third is 1.58 and fourth is 9.767. So first thing is write the given digit as it is, and first thing is remove the point. And write the given digit as it is. Okay, आपने remove कर दिया point को. Okay, now count the digit from right side. How many digit after point? 1 2 3. 3 digits mean 1000 upon 1000. Write the denominator as 1000. If 2 digit after points means denominator is 100. If 1 digit after points mean denominator is 10. So first things, remove the point. Okay, how many digit after point? 2 digits, so write there 100. Now remove the point and write there as it is. Given digit, write there as it is. Now how many digit after point? 1 2. Count from right side, so write there 100. Now remove the point and now write the digit as it is. Okay, 9767. How many digit after point? Count from right side. 1 2 3. 3 digits means thousands. 3 digit after point mean denominator upon denominator 1000, and 2 digit after point mean denominator 100. 1 digit after point mean denominator is 10. Okay, this topic is completed. Now we will learn about how to write decimal number in figures. So first thing is, if you write decimal number in figures, otherwise words, so first things we will learn about place value chart. In decimal place value chart, look at the decimal place value chart. Okay, now look at the place value chart decimal numbers. Look at the place value chart of decimal numbers. First you write there decimal. Decimal mean points. Okay, on decimal right side, tens, hundreds, thousands, THS, TENTHS. Okay, HUNREDTHS. Tens mean 1 upon 10, मतलब 10 का 1 part. 1 tens का मतलब हो गया 1 upon tens. Now there is given a fraction. So there is given a fraction. If you write in decimal numbers, so first things write the numerator as it is. Now how many digit point? There is denominator is 10, 1 digit after points, and 1 upon next is hundreds. 100s means 1 upon hundreds. So 1 upon 100. First you write the numerator as it is. How many digit after point? There is denominator is 100 means 2 digit. So write there 10. Okay, 1 digit equal. So write there 10 on right side, left side. Now there is point 0.01. Okay, now 1 upon next is thousands means 1 upon thousands means decimal as a decimal 0.001. On right side, left side, decimal on left side. Ones mean 1, tens mean 110, and 100 mean 100, and 1000 mean 1000. Okay, all of you learned this. And now question is write the following decimal number. Question is, suppose that question is write the following decimal number in words. Okay, suppose that question is, there is given a part is 15.3 is 15.3. Now B is, suppose that 86.27. Now C is 145.09 and D is 5.786. Okay, so this given decimal numbers, this given decimal number A, B, C, D. Okay, how to decimal number in words, how to write decimal number in words. So first things, if you suppose that given is decimal number, how to write in words decimal number. First things, given decimal number arrange in place value chart. आपको क्या करना है, place value chart में arrange करना है. So सबसे पहले आपको क्या देखना है, फर्स्ट यू सी पॉइंट. ओके, पॉइंट के जस्ट नीचे पॉइंट लिखना है. ओके, सो पॉइंट on right side digit 3, start from after point. Now left side digit 5 and 1, start after point. Okay, now 1 5. Now on left side digit speak both. 15 FIFTWN 15 point डेसिमल को आप क्या बोलोगे, पॉइंट बोले. पॉइंट 15.3. Now 86. Now arrange the each digit in place value chart. So first you arrange point on right side digit 2 and 7. Now left side digit 6 and 8. So now speak 86 point on right side each digit speak separately 2 7. पॉइंट के राइट साइड लेफ्ट साइड के सारे डिजिट साथ में बोलने हैं और पॉइंट के राइट साइड में जितने भी डिजिट है उनको अलग अलग बोलना है. ठीक है, इतना ध्यान रखना है. सो इन सी पार्ट, सो फर्स्ट अरेंज द ईच डिजिट इन पैलेस वैल्यू चार्ट. फर्स्ट यू अरेंज पॉइंट ऑन राइट साइड डिजिट 0 9. ओके, नाउ ऑन लेफ्ट साइड डिजिट 5 4 1. सो नाउ काउंट, नाउ स्पीक in together. So 145 145, this is 100. Read the Palace value chart. 145. So 145. Okay, now point after on right side digit speak separately 0 9. Okay, 0 9. Now each digit in D part, each digit arrange in Palace value chart. First you arrange point. Now on left side digit 5 and right side digit 7 and 6. So first you speak on the left side digit 5 point, on right side digit speak separately 7 and 6. ये इसका मेथड हो. ओके, आई थिंक आप लोगों को समझ में आया अच्छे से. अब इसकी जगह कई बार आपको देख लीजिए, पॉइंट की जगह आपको क्या मिल सकता है, एंड मिल सकता है. आपको क्या मिल सकता है, एंड मिल सकता है. पॉइंट की जगह आप यदि एंड यूज लेते हो, सपोज दैट 15 एंड सपोज दैट you used end word. Suppose that you used word end word. Okay, so 15 and 3. Now look at that. 15 and 15 एंड, पॉइंट को आपने क्या बोला, एंड बोला. नाउ 3, सो राइट देयर 3 देयर इज अपर साइड, सी अपर साइड periods, so there is period is a tenths, so write there 3 tenths. Okay, now 86, now speak together, 27, 27, if you arrange 27 2 7, now look at the last digits, period is hundreds, so write there hundreds, so you write there hundreds. Now see 86 and 27 hundreds, look at the last digits, 7 upper side, see hundreds, period is hundreds, hundreds, hundreds. Okay, next 145, 145.09, 145 and now only speak only last digit, जीरो को आप नहीं बोलोगे, इनको सेपरेटली नहीं बोलोगे, आप अलग अलग नहीं बोलोगे, साथ में बोलना पड़ेगा. 9 and period is hundreds, so 9 hundreds. Now 5 पॉइंट की जगह आपने क्या यूज किया, एंड. अरे आप डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हो, एंड भी लिख सकते हो, पॉइंट भी लिख सकते हो. पॉइंट लिखते हो तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, इस डिजिट को अलग अलग बोलना पड़ेगा. जो भी पॉइंट के आफ्टर राइट साइड में डिजिट है उनको अलग अलग बोलना पड़ेगा. यदि एंड यूज करते हो तो दोनों को साथ में बोलना पड़ेगा और आपको पीरियड्स देखना पड़ेगा. 5 एंड 786, नाउ स्पीक 786. Suppose that question is, now arrange again 5.786. Now speak together 786. Look at last period. Last period is 1000. So 705 and 786. Last period is 1000. So write there 1000. Now we read about. Now we read about how to write in figures, how to write decimal number in figures. Suppose that given in words 5 and 7 tenths. So first things, write the Paley's value chart. Write the Paley's value chart. Now look at the given questions. 5 and का मतलब आप समझो, एंड दे रखा है, इसका मतलब ये क्या है, पॉइंट है, और पॉइंट भी दिया हो सकता है, एंड भी दिया हो सकता है. सो पॉइंट एंड या पॉइंट के लेफ्ट साइड में है वो क्या रहेगा, लेफ्ट साइड में रहेगा. पहले पॉइंट को अरेंज कर दो. फर्स्ट यू अरेंज पॉइंट, एंड एंड के लेफ्ट साइड में क्या है, 5. सो राइट देयर 5. ऑन राइट साइड 7 टेंस, हंड्रेड्स और थाउजेंड्स पे ध्यान नहीं देना है, ओनली 7. 7 कहां लिखना है, यहां देखो टेंस लिखा है, टेंस के नीचे जस्ट नीचे आपको क्या लिखना है, 7. सो आंसर इज 5.7. नेक्स्ट is, so first you arrange end being point. On left side number is 103, so write the 103. Okay, now and after on right side 23,000s, 2300s, 2300s, इसका मतलब 2300s like this. So 103.23. Okay, now 20 point. First you arrange point and point on left side 20. So first you write the 20. Okay. On right side 25. 5. So answer is 20.25. Now next is 18. First you arrange end mean point. On left side number is 18. So write the 18. Now number is 18 and mean point. On right side 2000s. थाउजेंड्स, इसका मतलब 1000 की वैल्यू दे रखी है आपको. राइट देयर 2 एंड नाउ देयर इज नॉट गिवन हंड्रेड्स, राइट देयर 0. नोट देयर इज नॉट गिवन टेंस, सो राइट देयर 0. So 18.002. Answer is 18.002. 18.002. 18 and 2 thousands mean 18.002. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको अच्छे से समझ में आए। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं लेके आ रहा हूं डेसिमल नंबर्स इन पैलेस वैल्यू चार्ट, हाउ टू राइट इन, हाउ टू कंपेयर डेसिमल numbers and ascending order, descending order, and equivalent decimal, more questions. Okay, bye students.